Yeah, we got the answer from. Yeah, as Puneet saying, week 700 lectures are we are good. Yeah, Puneet, the thing is, yeah, like we also know, but the thing is, the system is taking a bit longer time to change. That's it. Nothing more than that. It's not like we don't. Yeah. Yeah, Vikas has answered. Dip Smith has answered. Okay. Yeah, almost everyone is given the correct answer. So can someone summarize all the points, like how we check the whether a point is belongs to the convex hull or not? Someone can summarize. Yeah, anyone.
Hello, sir. Can I share?
Yeah.
So in case of convex hull, we take the convex hull area as all the like outside points and connect them with a line. Connect them by line, so that inside area is convex hull. So only and in this case 0, 0, 0, 2, 0. So this is the like side to square box. So inside that only 1 1 is inside that. Otherwise negative points are outside the area.
Exactly. Yeah, that's the correct thing. Here are all the points which whatever comes inside this square box, or yeah, on this square box line also, that will be the part of this convex hull. Okay. Yeah, and one more thing, what should be the combination? I think there would be one question. We can see that question. So yeah, let's move to the next questions. Okay, yeah, as everyone told, the D option is correct. 1 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, just read this question and yeah, you can answer. Even S is a convex and the point x1, x2, x4 belongs to S. Which of the following must be the part of the convex hull formed by these points here? Yeah, we are getting the answers and yeah. So yeah, this time we are getting many wrong answers also. So yeah, first option is saying 0.4x1 plus 0.9x1 plus 0.3x3 plus 0.4x4. Yeah, so no one has said about this option A and option C, that we can directly ignore. So yeah, confusion is between option B and D. Many people are saying yeah option B, many people are saying option D, and yeah, many of you are also in favor of both option B and D. Okay. Yeah, let's see. So as I said, yeah, you told one property and yeah, one property you missed. Okay, so yeah, can someone is still trying? Is anyone is still trying?
हम डिवाइड करेंगे और लेंथ पे ब्रेथ
Can I explain, sir?
Yeah, you can explain.
Okay, lambda should be positive and in the range of 0 to 1,
and the sum of all the lambdas should be 1. So the option B is not correct because it is negative.
Okay, yeah. I think
And option D is the only one option. And A and C also not correct.
okay, just wait. I think so many people are answering. So yeah, that's yeah, everyone is silent now. Yeah, one can 1% at a time can speak so that yeah, others will be able to hear them. Yeah, please repeat the whatever you said, no, because yeah, that would be clear to all.
Okay, sir. That lambda value should be positive and value should be in the range of 0 to 1.
Yeah,
And sum of all lambdas is equal to 1.
exactly. So as is Sabit is saying, yeah. So yeah, lambda value can't be negative here. So yeah, option B is, from that only, like we can say, yeah, this option B can't be the right one. So correct option will be D. Okay. So yeah, this one is the question. This one we did. Yeah, third question. Okay. Yeah. From here we can say, yeah, that be in the visual. As you told, lambda should be from 0 to 1, and the sum of all the lambda should be 1, right? Yeah, and yeah, these two conditions yeah, D option satisfies both the conditions. So yeah, D option would be correct. Someone is saying C option. So can like yeah, B and D I can understand, like yeah, a few people miss this point. So yeah, based on that, someone can say B, about B. But why C? How you can say C option? Yeah, can you say what mistake you did? What mistake you did? I mean, whoever said C. Okay. Yeah, next. I'll just move to the next question. Okay. So yeah, I think yeah, this question. A storage shed is to be built in the shape of box x cross x with a square base. It is to have a volume of 800 cubic meter. The concrete for the base 50 per square meter. Yeah, the material for the roof cost 70 per square meter, and the material for the sides cost 60 per square meter. What will be your constraint equation? Okay. Yeah, take your time, no issues. Yeah, we have time, but yeah. Yeah, one right answer we got. Yeah, first try to understand like what is the constraint, like which will stop you to yeah change the variables. See here you can see that variables are x, and what is the condition which will stop you to take any value of that variable? Okay. Yeah. This will be a storage set. Yes, sir. This one is x, this one is x. Obviously, these two will be x. Okay, because in the first sentence only the question is saying storage set is to be built in the shape of a box. Okay, with a square base. It is to have a volume of 800 cubic meter. Okay, the concrete box for the So if anyone else still want to try, we can. We will wait for max 1 minute, or then we will move to the next question. Okay. So in this type of question, like you have to make the constraint equation, and then you have to make the objective function, and after that you can start solving that question. This type of question works like that only. Okay. So whoever is done with the first part, like about the constraint equation part, he can move to the just try to create the objective function, or that is our next question. So before that, so someone whoever has said answer is C, can he explain his approach, like why he's saying option C? Anyone, like whoever said option C? Okay, so that we'll understand like what is the mistake he is doing. So as the correct answer is option B only. Okay, so that's not an issue, but whoever is saying option C as the correct answer. So can he explain like what is his thought process?
Sir, I think what I did was I multiplied all 4 sides with 60.
Okay, all 4 sides with.
So that's the mistake I did.
Okay. So see,
but there are 4 sides, so I multiplied 60 by 4, so that's how I got that.
Okay. So here okay, I got your point. So here the constraint is just shape, like it has to be a maximum volume of 800 cubic meter. Okay, so the volume is fixed. Okay, that can't be changed. So that is your constraint. Okay, so your volume can't you can't increase or decrease your volume. Okay, so that will be your constraint. Okay, so here it is saying x square is your length into breadth, and height is something we can assume as h. Okay, x square to h equals to 800. Okay, so the next question is, what will be your constraint objective function? Okay, so I think I should show the previous question only, and from here you can select the option. Okay, so just create the objective function. Okay, then we'll, or maybe I think
objective function is always about cost.
Objective function minimize the cost, whatever the thing you want to minimize or maximize. So obviously here you would like to minimize your cost, no? So that is your objective function. You have to minimize your cost. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Let me just try to. Okay, just see this one. Let me check whether our options are correct or not. Here I can. Yeah, this is your questions only. Yeah, now you have to write the objective function. Okay, so these are the options you have. So yeah, so many correct answers we are getting here. Yeah, mainly the competition is between C and D option. Yeah, this is what I am observing here. So yeah, C. Again, one more D. But yeah. Okay, whoever said D, yeah, he can start solving with me. He will suggest me like, yeah, one more option. Yeah, B also we got. Okay. Yeah, probably we can click. Okay, we will do it after. Just visualize the picture. Okay. This is your H. So are you whoever is saying, yeah, D options or B? Can you share your approach, like how you are trying?
Sir, I told D, sir, but I'm wrong because I only considered one face. I had to consider 4 faces.
Yeah. So you got your point. That's okay. Okay, yeah. Alvia, yeah, you can speak. Yes, raised hand.
Sir, I said A. So my approach was that it is a 3 sides: base, roof, and sides. So
Yeah,
base is 50 square per meter, which is base is a square. So x 50x square. And same way we can consider roof. Each side will be it is the same as box and square. So it can be said y. So 70y square. And sides are base into that x into h. So 60 into 60. So I thought it is A. According
okay.
maybe
Yeah.
there is.
Yeah, I'll just tell you like where you have done. Yeah, where you gone wrong. Okay, see, just whatever will be the area of this one base, that will same area will be of this roof, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so if it is x square, then it will be also x square. Or you can okay, it's okay. Yeah, you can, if you want to mention that as a y square, okay, you can mention that also as a y square. Okay,
Actually it is a square, that's why we can say it is a 120x square, because if its base is x, but
yes.
if
Okay.
we consider it y, then x equal to y we have to mention here.
Yes. Okay, and the thing is, like in the options nowhere we talked about that y. Okay, we talked about the box shape is like this one is x cross x. Okay,
Okay.
still okay. So if you want to use, yeah, and the main problem here is you are considering it at 60 into x cross h. Okay, so it means that you are thinking there is just only one side. Okay, but there would be like 4 walls.
Yes,
Which
4
is
into that.
yeah.
That.
So okay, so yeah, that's why this option is A is completely wrong, and B option, since y is never mentioned, like we haven't mentioned anywhere in the question this y. Okay, so yeah, you are like explicitly you are introducing new variable which is not mentioned in the question. Yeah,
Not the right way. Okay.
yeah, and yeah, so yeah, C option suits better for this question, because yeah, 50 plus 70, it comes around 120 x square, plus as we talked about this, yeah, 16 to 4, like 16 to x cross h will be the area of one wall, and yeah,
To 4 sides there is a,
yeah,
because it is a total
24.
box. That's why.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. And yeah, shouldn't one wall be missing how to store if it is all packed? Okay, so yeah, there could be a system like, yeah, we can say that, yeah, that is not a wall actually, yeah, that is just a kind of cover. Okay, so by which we just cover that. It may be like that. I remember in our IT hostel there was a box made just to prevent it from the yeah, monkeys. So what happens, like it was in this shape, like something like this you can think of. Okay, okay, so yeah, they just made it to, and yeah, just think like, yeah, this front face is just, we can take it out from here, like yeah, just if you'll yeah, if you'll just yeah, pull it, it will come out, and yeah, from here, like inside this dustbin box was kept, so that yeah, monkey can't just yeah, just throw all the dust yeah, from here. So that's why it was made, shape was made something like this. Okay, and yeah, here was just like a box, you can think. I'm so bad at drawing. Yeah, okay, so from here, yeah, you can drop your, yeah, garbage here in this yeah, in this bucket. Okay, and the bucket was kept inside this, but those monkeys were so smart. What they did, like they used to just lie down. Okay, see, if it is somewhere around, yeah, 3 feet height. Okay, just think it like, yeah, it is of 3 feet height, so obviously monkey can't pull it up. Okay, like if one, yeah, one face of this box. Okay, so what he used to do is like he just used to lie down. Okay, yeah, like something like this, and yeah, then he used to pull it like this. Okay, so they were more smart. You will get chance to go to the campus, no? Just see, those monkeys are really smart, I must say. So many amazing things they used to do.
So one quick question.
Yeah,
Shouldn't h also be defined in the question then, if we're not allowed to introduce new variables?
yeah, exactly. You can say like that.
Okay.
You can say like that. We should mention that h, or you can here, you can use y, something like, yeah, that's true. It was supposed to be mentioned in the question, h variable also. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, the one is done. Yes, so sixth one. Yeah, which of the following is a convex function in R two-dimensional subspace? Okay, so yeah, one direct answer we got. Okay, that's the correct actually. Another correct answer. Yeah, so many correct answers. No, we are not using peer deck actually. We can use some apps, but the thing is, was like last time very few people were there. Like they used to, this time they have introduced that attendance system, and we are seeing so many yeah, people in this live session, yeah, around 120. But last time, yeah, it was like a mini session we conducted, like, yeah, around 5 to 6 people, with 5 to 6 people. So we didn't like found those things useful. because otherwise there are very many apps like from which we can create some quiz like a kind of thing, like we can you will get awarded with points and all, something like that. There are apps, yeah, like Kahoot is also there. Yeah, bonus marks, yeah, that's correct. For that only, yeah, we are getting, and yeah, this time, yeah, more people said that was the last one. In the previous one, that was the first batch, and yeah, people were there, yeah, around 600 people were there, but still very less attendance was there last time. Yeah, this was done particularly, but sir, after attending all this, okay, maybe like later they will, yeah, increase that. I don't know, like how they will give you the bonus marks, like. And today, around 2 to 5 MLP proctor based, yeah, programming exam is would be going on. And this time, just learn this mathematics. Okay, it will be really helpful. As like we talked in the week 6 also, like yeah, these things are, many people are lacking in these concepts. Okay, they don't know about the terms, even these terms also. So yeah. Anonymous sign in. Are they able to sign in like using anonymous ID? I don't think so, because okay, we will talk. Yeah, we will convey it to the configuration team. Like last time, they were not able to access. Okay, so what about this question here? Is still trying? Is anyone still trying or what? In this question, okay. A option, C option, C option. Yeah. So yeah. So what way? The ideal way which I feel is to just create the Hessian matrix and yeah, just check that. Okay. Or here also, like one thing I can also say here, this is just see, like x value will be one analytical way I can say that without knowing anything. See, this x square will be always positive. Okay, this y square will be always positive. So fx will be always positive only. Like every time it will increase only. So it will be minimum at the minimum value of x and y, something like that. Okay, so we will get just one point where it will minimum. Yeah, that can be the, like yeah, that is what we can say analytically. Okay, and so yeah, we will start creating the Hessian matrix. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So one question, I mean one doubt, that x square is a convex function. Now it is like upside open, but minus x square is the downside is open. So and it is not a convex function. And the definition says that the functional value should be like higher than the like approximate value, or the tangent should be like the bottom outside the like the function, but the area covered by the minus x square card, that is the complete set, right? I mean the convex set, right?
This one, it will be your concave function then, no? Like the minus x square will be something like this, no?
No, I'm asking that it is not convex, but the area covered by the curve, is that convex set?
Area covered by this one. How it will
no,
yeah.
below portion.
Yeah, this one, or you are saying, or what?
No, I'm just saying.
Sir, actually, he's asking.
Yeah,
that one.
Yeah.
Minus x square curve.
Minus x square curve. Okay, so it would be something like this, no? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, and the area covered by the minus x square, The downside area, yes. The function is not convex function, but the set is convex set, right?
This area, yeah, you are saying, yeah, this is a convex set. Okay, so yes,
that is I'm asking.
No, I don't think so. The thing is here, are you talking about that epigraph or what?
Yes, sir, epigraph.
So in the case of epigraph, first term was
no, sir, sorry. Epigraph is the upside portion for any curve. So if epigraph is like convex set, then the function is convex. So that I understand, but I am asking that even if a function is not convex, like minus x square, the area covered by minus x square, the downside area, that is convex set, right? Because a oval shape is a convex set.
If I may, sir.
So
I have also the same question, that if I take any 2 points inside this curve, let's say minus x square.
Okay.
Inside this curve, I am taking any 2 points randomly, and that thing, that lambda x1 plus 1 minus lambda minus 1, or it was 1 minus lambda, no sir?
I think there is
lambda x1 plus 1 minus lambda x2.
Okay.
1 minus lambda x2, yes. So I will get that x3, or the resultant point will lie inside the inside this curve only.
Okay.
Yes, so
that is
the set we can say convex set, right? Even if the function is not convex.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, set can be convex set, but for convex there are two terms: convex set and convex function. Okay, so the domain of convex function is convex set.
Yes.
Yeah. So, but if domain is convex set, that doesn't mean that function will be convex function. Did you got my point?
Yes, sir. This clarification I wanted. Yes, got it, sir.
So yeah, in this question, yeah. So we'll just do this one. Okay, fxx we will get around 2. Xy we will get around 0. That is fyx. That is the value of fyx. There's no discussion, so it will be a convex. Yeah, that's true. Okay, fyy will be as sorry, fx will be 2 to the 4. Okay, so yeah, 5 to the 10. Okay, so yeah, so these values we got for option A. Okay, so yeah, our convex our Hessian matrix will be of this shape 4 10 0 0. So bye. So yeah, what is like, in which case someone says, yeah, like in which case we say that it is a convex function by saying that what should be the value of this convex Hessian matrix. Someone just I'm just wanted to revise that. So yeah, that's why
eigenvalues are positive.
Yeah, eigenvalues are positive.
Determinant
and some
positive.
Other determinant positive. Okay, yeah, both are correct. And some other way,
the easiest way is like
differentiation. If we double differentiate and get positive value, then it will be convex.
Double differentiate? Sorry?
Yes, sir. If we double differentiate the function and get a positive value, then it will be a convex function.
Yeah, double differentiation. Yeah, that is. That is just a part of this one only. I was asking that if you have this particular Hessian matrix, then you have to decide whether it's a convex function or not. So for that, what we say that if it is this Hessian matrix is positive semi-definite, whatever you guys said, that all of that are correct only. Like I'm just introducing the terms. Like if the Hessian matrix is positive semi-definite, okay, so then it is convex function. Okay, so for positive semi-definites we have conditions like all eigenvalues should be positive, or I think non-zero actually, greater than equal to 0. Okay, so when you will calculate the eigenvalue, that would be greater than equal to 0. And second value conditions are all your determinant is all determinant of common, I think what's the term we use as, I'm just forgetting the term. Okay, all principal subs. I think there was a term. I'm just forgetting. Okay.
The determinant should be non-negative.
Yeah, that is true. But the thing is like if you have the 3x3 shape, okay. You have 3x3.
The easiest way is like up to 1 1. Up to 1 1 it should be non-negative. Up to 2 2 it should be non-negative like that.
For that only I was just searching. I'm just forgetting the term. Like what we say that like all the common this submatrix. What leading submatrix actually? There is a term for this one. Like to say about this leading submatrix, all the leading submatrix determinant value should be greater than equal to 0. Okay. So for that I'm just missing the term. What term we use for that? Whatever you said, like that only. Like if you have 4x4 or something by this size of matrix. Okay. So all the leading submatrix. The determinant of all the leading submatrix should be greater than equal to 0. Okay. Like that. First take the 1 by 1, then second 2 by 2, then 3 by 3. Okay. Like that. Minor and cofactor is other terms are there, but for this there is one term for this one. Minor and cofactors are that is.
Actually, it should be greater than 0, right? It can't be greater than or equal to 0.
For which term you are saying? Okay, determinant you are saying it should be positive, since here we are talking about positive semi-definite. Okay.
Not for the determinant, sir. The leading term, A, if you take for a 2 into 2 matrix, the A term.
So that was the condition for positive definite, no? For positive semi-definite, your determinant can be, that should be lambda 1.
No, sir, in case of determinant, the up to 1 1 position, up to 2 2 position, the determinant, if the determinant is 0, then the whole matrix must be 0. Otherwise, it will be negative definite. So I think that is he is asking.
What you are saying? Oh, okay. If
in this case, it will be. I mean, for sure, it will be negative. In case of determinant, it should be greater than 0, and in case of eigenvalue, it should be non-negative.
No, I'm not actually asking that, sir. In this case, you have put 0 for that first term, right, sir?
Okay.
Then now we can't tell about this, no, sir.
What we can't tell? Just
sir, for a positive semi-definite, it should be that AC should be equal to B square and A should be greater than 0.
AC should be equal to B square.
A should be
greater than 0. Okay.
Greater than 0. I just said about that, sir.
So the conditions are like this. All these things are derived from this one only. Like your lambda 1, lambda 2 can be greater than 0. Okay. For this is the condition of positive semi-definite, or you can say like first your this term should be greater than equal to 0. Like as we talked about the leading submatrix determinant value, no? Like first is your 1 by 1. For 1 by 1, this one is 0. It should be greater than equal to 0. Okay.
That's the thing I'm asking, sir. It should be strictly greater than 0 or greater than equal to 0.
I think I have also seen many places like it should be something. It was written like A should be greater than 0, and AC minus.
So that is called principal minors. If it is greater than equal to 0, semi-definite. If it is strictly greater than 0, it is positive definite.
Exactly. Principal minor. That is the term.
But sir, that thing in case of equal to 0, it cannot be semi-definite because it will definitely be not like negative definite, because the like AC will be 0, then minus B square whatever it be, it will be negative, no?
Here you want to say, that's true. Here you are saying that it should be if it is 0, and here if we are giving this term as a minus 9, okay, and you are saying this term, okay, so we can create this
but sir, if 1 2 is negative, then it can be positive. The multiplication.
Yes. Whatever you are saying, that is correct. Okay. So as you are saying, no, that's true that if we are not putting here, see the conditions basics are same, basics are fixed. Like yeah, for positive semi-definite, the all the lambda values should be greater than equal to 0. For positive definite, all the lambda values should be greater than 0. Okay, first condition, and yeah, leading determinant should be greater than equal to 0. Okay, yeah, leading, yeah, principal minor determinant value should be greater than equal to 0. Okay, so for that, yeah, this zeros, and yeah, just say what you said. I'll just check that also. Like so I think your argument is something like that. If we keep this value as 0, then
Yes, I got it. That was my mistake because in that minor it can be one is negative and one is positive. Then it will be completely positive. Like
oh, you are saying this one is positive, one is negative. That can't be
yes,
possible. No, it is not possible. Whatever you said, that is correct only because see, it is symmetric. So both values should be same. Okay, and that is the reason only. That is the reason only. Like here we can't put any yeah, 0 value or yeah. If it would be 0, no?
Actually, I have a question on this in graded assignment.
Okay, okay. So yeah, these both of these values should be similar, and yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's yeah, 0 into it will be negative. So if we put here
for eigenvalues, it will be greater than or equal to 0.
Yeah, for eigenvalue it should be greater than equal to 0. And yeah, thanks for the clarification. Yeah, that it value can't be negative 0. Actually, if you will put here 0, then obviously our determinant will be negative. Is that correct? Or
yes, sir. That's the thing I wanted to ask.
Yeah. Just now also I also see. So right, yeah, we can't put it as 0. Okay, and that's why yeah, every time yeah, I have also seen this one only. Like yeah, your a should be greater than 0 and ac minus b square should be greater than equal to 0. So this is the reason, because if you put it as 0, then yeah, whole the determinant value will be negative. So that is the clear. Yeah, that's a good discussion actually. So yeah, I think yeah, all of you solved like how this yeah, it is satisfying your condition of that Hessian matrix, all the determinant value, and yeah, determinant value is positive. Okay, so yeah, based on that.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
In this, when you say that AC minus B square should be greater than equal to 0.
Yeah.
For one of the conditions of the convex function.
Yeah.
Now, suppose it is equal to 0, and my aim is to find the minimum of the convex function. Then in this case, I will not be able to do it by the Hessian test, right? Because it is AC minus B square is equal to 0, then it'll become a saddle point.
For saddle point, the conditions are yeah, one lambda should be positive and one lambda should be negative. Okay, both type of value. So if what you are saying that if AC minus B square equal to 0, then you want to get this one.
Yeah, if it is a symmetric matrix, and because then B values will be the same, you just make a matrix. Then if the determinant is 0, then I cannot find. How do I find the minimum? In that case, it doesn't become minimum.
Okay, just let yeah, we just.
For minimum grad f equals 0. That should be applied. No?
No, that is the first test. No, so the second I'm saying.
Yeah, just repeat your question. Yeah, you are saying that yeah, AC minus B square should be equal to, if it is equal to 0. Okay.
Then I cannot find the minimum. It may be a convex function, but I will not be able to find the minimum, right? Unless I use some other method to find the minimum. It can't be found from the Hessian matrix. That's my doubt.
Yeah, see, I would say exact definition of your positive definite or positive semi-definite is that positive definite, it is saying that yeah, at that point along the all axis, that is the minimum point. Okay, in when you say that it's a semi-definite, so it simply says that at least in one axis that is the minimum point, at least in one axis. Okay, it is like that.
Okay, right.
So let's move to the next question. Yeah, this question done. Yeah, so yeah, just try this question. The minimum value of the function, actually z is not there, but yeah, it's written here. Okay. Yeah, so f of x, y, z equals x square plus y square subjected to the constraint x plus y equals 1. So yeah, after a long discussion, now next question came. Yeah. I request everyone just send into the personal chat box, because yeah, so that other people won't get diverted just by saying the wrong or right answer. Yeah, Sabit has sent it personally. Yeah, Nagarajan has also sent it personally. You guys are really quick. I mean, yeah, one more answer. Vivek has already sent the answer. Okay, Sunita, yeah, I got your answer. Yeah, that's correct. Ranjit, yeah, your answer is also correct. I just wonder, like, you guys are solving so fast, but still you guys says, yeah, the question is a bit lengthy. Yeah, obviously it is lengthy. It was lengthy. I also agree. Yeah, we are seeing, yeah. Yeah, Fazali correct. Yeah, Devapriyo. Okay, sorry if I pronounce your name wrongly. Okay, yeah, Garima. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, Mansita, correct. Yeah, one more right answer. Yeah, Deva Smith, Mohan. Correct. Yeah, because correct. Yeah. I think almost all of you got the correct answer only. And yeah, I'm also impressed. Like, yeah, you guys are answering quickly, and yeah, so many people are participating. So I would always say, if we see the lot of participation, no, it encourages us also to give more.
After all, you are human.
Yeah, that is true. Like nowadays we are in MLP session, I am seeing, I'm just creating the bit good SWI sessions, and we are providing the codes and all, but still, since people are also less, like 170 people is there. Like I took session in the last week, no, in MLP. So in that session, very few people were active. Like 4 or 5 people. Like even I called by their names. Actually, 20 people joined, and I called by their name also. Like still, whoever was active in MLF sessions, only those people were active in MLP sessions also.
I think generally we should make the video, if you turn on the video, and then the participation will be more also. That's just generally I felt. But anyway, that's a different
like that. If it would be, then we don't have any problem in just turning on our videos. That's not an issue. it will increase. And yeah, we are also discussing many things like how we can increase the participants interaction actually. Bonus marks supremacy. Actually, sometimes we feel like yeah, people are there just for the attendance also, like many people. But see here, I think yeah, more than 20, yeah, at least 20 to 30 people are active right now. See,
so that's called it's studied in economics called nudge effect. So once you do the nudge, some people come, okay, I may as well actively participate.
Okay. We will note this one. Okay, just to turn on the camera. If yeah, we will try that. And yeah, one person is saying yeah, no course structure response to our query. See, it's just the thing is this time yeah, we are so many involved in like yeah 3 courses. So this time it is getting really difficult. Like last time when people were saying yeah, this MLF course structures are good, and yeah, like till now they are in the best course structures and all those things. But the thing is this time yeah, even the MLT MLP also we are getting yeah, they are not satisfied with that, because this thing is like this time 3 courses at the same time. So it is bit difficult to handle all those things. Okay, so it is bit hectic. Like today also, like we are getting so many queries on this MLT MLP also. So yeah. And
but sir, in turning on the camera, sometimes what happens, the internet speed is slow, and it like it's a problem. It is a problem for me, and it may be a problem for other few students also who do not have like speed in network.
Okay. So are you talking about this session, live session interaction thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. It's okay. Yeah, I agree. Like we should be active on the discourse. And yeah, anyway, anytime if you are tagging me, then I have to respond there. Okay, like it is just that yeah, the time like a time frame that got increased. Like earlier, like within 24 hours, yeah, whenever you tagged me, like I used to respond like within 24 hours. But this time we are not able to do that. So that is.
I'd like to add a point. I think Rakesh was making a point. In Zoom, there is a feature you can turn off incoming video. So as a student of data science, we should know all the functions at least.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So let's do our research first. I think it provides all sorts of options to everybody. But again, it's a personal choice everybody makes.
Yeah, sorry, I just didn't understand, I think. In offline ITM student do 6 courses in semester, but the here is tough. I don't know why. The thing is, I would say, see, even I have also done that courses. Like the professor used to call us in the evening, like around 5:30 to 6:30, like at those time also. But the thing was, see, there you are interacting, and the thing is here. I think, are you talking about the student perspective or yeah, instructor perspective?
I think it's a learning outcome. So end of the day, the goal of the session is to maximize the learning outcome. I think you can do it as an exercise. This is a constraint, right? I mean, what is the objective function? What are the constraints? Like Rakesh was talking about, bandwidth is a constraint. So it is an excellent optimization problem. Like how do we maximize the learning of all students? And what are the constraints? It's a good optimization problem.
Yeah. And yeah, the thing is, yeah, we will be active on the discourse, like just yeah, after this quiz, I think, yeah, MLT, yeah. Actually, the course content is also getting created simultaneously, so that is also taking the time. Actually, a lot of time. See, many times, even after just now, also like when people commented here, no, like we haven't mentioned that as well as in the questions. Here also, this Z is extra here. Okay, so yeah. So what I felt is yeah, it takes a lot of time to just correct all the things, even to create the question. I would say it takes more time to create the question rather than to solve the question. That is what I felt in these 6 to 7 months.
I think sometimes you get extra information that is not needed. That creates confusion.
Yeah. Actually, I would tell you the why here Z is missing, because the thing was, the question was something like x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so the thing is like at some places we created that question just so again who will write all those things. So just directly just Control C Control V, and yeah, they remove this question. it is like that. Yeah, in that, yeah. And yeah, at one thing is for sure, like in the next term, since yeah, again deep learning will start in September term. Okay, but still, I personally feel yeah, this time they will change this MLF course for sure. Like earlier, the plan was to just, because since two courses, new courses was supposed to get created, MLP, MLT, so that's why this time MLF didn't get updated. But yeah, next time it will be updated. Maybe
the week 5 and 6, I think they need to be definitely updated. But I think other weeks are generally fine.
Yeah, week 5 and 6, that in terms of lecture that should be updated. But yeah, few new things we can add here. Okay, in MLF courses, few new things are supposed to be added, because the thing are like time people are saying statics are mostly repeated thing. So yeah, maybe we can just compress those weeks and we can add some new things. Okay, I think this question, if anyone still wants to answer, or I think I should solve that. Okay, or everyone can solve this question, or should I solve this one? Yeah, so in whole number but answer that's not an issue. Like if you are getting answer in whole number, you should someone is asking that he is getting answer in whole number, and answers are given in the portals are in decimal. That's not an issue. If your answer is in that range, see, if I have to set a question and if I am getting the the answer is 7, so obviously he will give answer range should be around 6.5 to 7.5. Are you asking something like that or some different question?
Those are like the few questions where it's mentioned to answer up to 2 decimals, but I'm getting in whole number. So I'm just thinking whether I'm doing something wrong on those questions, or so that's why I asked personally.
Okay, if he is mentioned to answer it in the up to 2 decimal, correct up to 2 decimal place, that maybe there can be both cases. Like you can take it as a warning also, and I mean sometimes what people do is here is like see, this one point is a common, like the syntax one, it is written in overlap, they just copy every time. Okay, and in NAT type concerns also, like few people do like that only, like they just copy that correct up to 2 decimal places, something recent, they just copy paste that format. Okay, so let's discuss this question. Okay, so the thing is
one minute, just the same doubt, sir, what the person had. So if the answer is in whole number, even if they ask for 2 decimal, if I put say the answer is 8, if I put 8.00, will that be accepted in the range?
That will be accepted.
Okay.
That will be accepted.
Thank you.
Because he would have given range, if your answer is 7, no, it would have given range around 6.5 to 7.5, something like that. So that it lies in this range.
Okay.
That's not an issue if you are writing 7.
Right.
So for this question, I would say just solve this these two constraint equation and you will get the answer. I think del of fx, okay, x comma y equals to lambda del of g of x comma y. Okay, del of g of x comma y. I think should not write this, use this one. Okay, I think you got understood. Anyone having problem in this question, so that we can discuss, or else we will move further. Okay, the correct answer is 0.5 only. Like I think around more than 90% people give this answer only. So if anyone has any doubt, he can ask.
To solve it.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to solve? Okay. What you said? Should I solve or please say.
Like, can you solve this question?
Okay. Yeah. Definitely. Okay. So first condition we will do is del of fx comma y equals to lambda del of g of x comma y. Okay. So first differentiate it with the x. Okay, so we are getting it as a 2x. Okay, plus y square, that will be 0. And yeah, if you will differentiate it with y, then partial differentiate with y, then it will get as around 2y. Okay, equals to lambda. Okay, del g. Yeah, if you will differentiate it with x, then we will get as a 1. Okay, and if we will differentiate it with y, if we will, again we will get as 1. Are you clear up to this point?
Yes, sir.
So I think, yeah, we will get as x equals lambda by 2 and y equals also lambda by 2. Is that okay to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we got x equals lambda by 2, y equals to lambda by 2. We'll put this value in this equation. Okay, so yeah, lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 equals to 1. Okay, so this will give lambda value as 1. Okay, 2 lambda, yeah, lambda value is 1. Okay, so we got lambda value as 1. So x value we got as a half, y value also as a half. Okay, lambda by 2, lambda by 2. Are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so yeah, we got x value, we got y value. So minimum value of the function is x square plus y square. So it is nothing but a half square plus half square. So it is nothing but 2 into half of square. Okay, and we got this way as 0.5. Is it okay with you?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay.
So one query on this question. So when you solve this equation, it gives us a critical point. So how
Yes.
we ensure that this is a minimum point or a maximum point?
One question we have on this, and also here also I can say that you just put it in the function value. Okay, that function value, if that is the you see you got x1 x2 as something, yeah, you got two set x1 y1 equals 2 comma 3, and yeah, x2 y2 just as a 4 comma 5. Okay, something like that. So just put it in the function, and for which value you are getting as the minimum value, that is your minimum, and for which value you are getting the maximum, that is your maximum value.
Is there any specific method we can like surely say that like it's a gloom, like it's a minimum or maximum? Because this we are like putting a value in the function and then checking, like and then comparing the values.
Yeah, we do like that only. Like we just see, the thing is it gives the critical value only, like where the function is changing. Okay, this may be the, this is the critical, this is the critical. Okay, so it is giving you all the critical values. Okay, from where your del is changing. So wherever the value is changing, no, at that point del is 0. Okay, means gradient, or you can say that, yeah, slope of the tangent is 0. Okay, wherever the value is changing. Okay, so let's say here the value is changing. Okay, means it is, as it is changing its action, at that point when we will draw the tangent, the slope of this tangent will be 0. Okay, that is what this function is giving.
Yes, that makes sense. My question, like here only one point came. So how will I will make sure, because there is nothing to compare. If it is a maximum value, then how I will make sure that this is minimum?
Oh, if you, okay, like that you are saying. So in that case, you have to see that function only. I would say that, and it is like that, no? Like if you're double, yeah, that you can check, you that you can decide based on the function only, and no other method is there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, based on whether your function is convex or not. If it is convex, then obviously it will give you the minimum value, and if it is a concave function, that will give you the maximum value.
Got you.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question regarding this, that minimum and maximum value. So whenever we are equating del f equal to lambda minus lambda del g, then I mean in the lecture video I saw that we are getting the optimal solution.
Yes.
Optimal solution, not equation. Optimal equation for that function.
Yeah, that's true.
So my question is, like in the lecture video, whichever problems are solved, in most of the cases he was taking minimum of fx. So is that optimal in the sense of minimum, or I mean, is it optimal in sense of minimum maximum? I mean, every case.
Last sentence, what you told, just repeat that. You said whatever you said. I'm just repeating that. You were saying that you got the point, and that is your optimal point. Okay.
Yes,
by solving.
I am solving the del f equal to, yes, this one. I am solving this equation, and I am getting the points. So these x1 and x2, these are my these x1 or y1, like here you have written. These are my optimal points.
Yeah.
So is it optimal in the sense of minimum or maximum? That I want to.
Yeah, that is what we are saying, that it depends on this on your function. Okay. If it is a convex function, then that is your minimum. If it is your concave function, then that is your maximum value. Okay. First thing, and second thing is this one, that if you are getting more than 1 point, then at whatever point you are getting the minimum value, that is the your minimum, and at whatever the point you got your maximum value, that is your maximum. Did you got?
And then one thing, sir. So whenever we are doing this, that del fx is equal to minus lambda del gx, this thing. So this means that whatever my direction, direction of the derivative is, whatever the direction of my gradient is for f, should be exactly opposite to the direction of the gradient of g.
Okay, so you are saying talking about this lambda due to this lambda or what?
So what I'm yes, sir, I'm talking about that lambda, but I'm just I'm talking outside the formula, that what is actually mean, that I'm trying to understand. So so what I understood is that this equation, this del fx equal to minus lambda del g, this is saying that the gradient, the directional gradient, the direction of the gradient of constraint should be exactly opposite or anti-parallel to the direction of function, direction of gradient of the function, right?
Okay, parallel or anti-parallel, both. Okay.
Parallel or anti-parallel in the case of in the case that g is 0, but if let's say g is greater than less than equal to 0, something like that, then it should be anti-parallel, no sir?
G is less than, that depends on this lambda value also, no? Whether it's a positive or negative.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. So yes, so lambda value, so whether it is a positive or negative, so then we can say that this direction either can be parallel or anti-parallel, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So whenever we are solving, we are getting values which are either parallel or anti-parallel. Now we have to check whether, if it is anti-parallel, that means it is the minimum point, and if it is parallel, it is the maximum point, right? Like that. I mean, I am trying to I can solve the problems, but I am trying to understand the concept behind it. I am having a hard time understanding the concept.
See, here it is nothing but it is just saying that if this is your line, at this is your gradient line, okay, where all the values of del of x star will be same only. Okay, so and you are just, I will just show it by directly by the graph. Okay, it's better. See, the thing is, see, you got your equation as fx equals to x square plus, okay, yeah, just think it as a x square. Okay, you got this graph. So what and you got one constraint equation, that is nothing but just think it as just this line. Okay. This line is your constraint equation.
Yes,
so now you have to check, and what when you will solve these two equations, the gradient of these two equations, then you will get these points. Okay, whatever is the critical point, this one is a critical point here, this one is a critical point, wherever this is changing. Okay, so you got this critical point by solving that equation, and now just by putting in the function manually, you will check whether it's your minimum point or maximum point. Okay, something like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it is clear, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So let's move to the next question. Okay. So yeah, in the 8th question, it is asking what is the boundary value of y, so that the function x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square to remain convex. Okay. So yeah, what value we can put for y so that this equation becomes convex? This function becomes convex. Okay. Yeah, two correct answer we already got. Yeah, one more correct answer. Sunita Nagarajan. Yeah, we got the answers from them. Yeah, almost all of answers are correct only. Yeah, till now just one or two wrong answers, and yeah, rest all of the answers are correct. Yeah, one more good positive side of this one is like, yeah, I'm able to see the all people's name, like who all are answering and all. Like in MLF, it was very easy because like 4 or 5 people are there. Like I just know them by their name only. But here, since yeah, just by seeing their names, yeah, now only I will see like who all are answering. Galaxy M21. Okay. And whoever just tried this question, they can work on this. Just change this question y plus 1 to the power whole cube. Okay, just to change this question by just put here 3 and just solve that. Whatever the answer you will get, just mention that answer also. Okay, we were just done with this question. You can try that. Yeah, Rakesh, that's correct. Correct, Garima. Okay, that is also correct. Yeah, one answer we got for y plus 1 whole cube new questions also. Okay. And then no. Just try. Just check. Yeah. One more. Yeah, Ranjit, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. I got a point. Yeah, and one more thing is y plus 1 whole cube answer is not in this options. Like yeah, that is not in the option. Yeah, I just simply told you to try. Yes, that's correct. And I would tell you one quick resolution, at least in MLF, MLP, MLT, USDC, whoever is handling that week, no, just tag every time for that particular week, just tag him on. Okay, it will help you to just, for quick resolution, it will help you. Okay, like see, you saw me in the week 6 and week 8. Okay, just tag me every time. Or yeah, Vishal is also there in week 6. Yeah, you can tag him also. Okay. So like that, because the thing is, in maximum cases, that person is involved in that week, so obviously he would refresh all these concepts and all, and he will take the sessions, and many other things are there. most of the cases what happens is like whoever is handling that live session, no, he's responsible for that graded question and all those things, like for the correctness of those things. Okay, so yeah, he will be able to cross check very he will respond soon, I would say. But yeah, Rakesh, that's correct. Ask is correct. Yeah, so let's try this one. Okay, I think just we'll try to create the Hessian matrix. That is nothing but f of x, xy, f of yx, f of yy. Okay. Last time everyone used to answer in every week's question, but this time, as I told you, this time people are loaded with more work, so that's okay. So f of x is nothing but for this it is we will double differentiate this one, so we will get around 2x and 2. Okay. For f of xy we will get around 0, f of yx we will get around 0, and f of y will get around 2. Okay, so it will be around like 2, 2, 0, 0. Okay, and we can see that it doesn't depend on the y value. Okay, it doesn't depend on y value. For any y value, it will be positive. This d will be greater than equal to 0, and a is greater than 0. Okay, so we don't have any issue like that. So yeah, for a this question, this option C is correct. And let's check with this just by changing the question with we'll put 3 here. Okay, now let's check. Okay, so what will happen here now? This one we will get as 2 only, but here we will get as a 3, I think 6y plus 1. This one only, no? 3, 6, that's correct. So these two will be 0. Okay, so we will solve this one. We'll get around 2 into 6. Should be Ranjit, correct. Your answer is also correct. 2 into 6 into y plus 1. Okay, this value should be greater than equal to 0. Okay, so 2 to both value will go, and will be here with y plus 1 equals greater than equals 0. So y should be greater than equals minus 1. That's correct one. For if it is here, if you will write q, then y should be always greater than minus 1. Then only we will get then this function will remain convex. Okay, I think we are done with this question. Okay, let's move to the next question. This one. Okay, which of the following Hessian matrix corresponds to the convex function? Just check which is the proper Hessian matrix. You can all of them. Just check this one. One correct answer, 2 correct answer we got. Rakesh is correct. Ranjit is also correct. Vikas, Talendra, Nagarajan, Garima, all of the answers are correct. Mehak, that's correct. Vivek, correct. Sabits, Alice. Just cross check Alice. Soumya, correct. Mansita, right. Yes, Elvia, right. She is just cross check for your answer. Okay. Depriya, that's correct. Galaxy M21, answer is also correct. Devasmith, right. Okay, Ashish, now that's correct. please check your answer. Yeah, Mridvika, that's right. Whoever is answering A, just first check your answer. I will again try to revise the properties. So we follow the two property here, just simply like A should be greater than 0. And the second property is AC minus B square should be greater than equal to 0. Okay, these two conditions we follow here. So just check in the option A, yeah, A is not greater than 0. So yeah, this option we can directly reject, and C option also we can directly reject. Okay, but just by seeing the first condition only. Okay, so yeah, now let's see this one. AC minus B square greater than equal to 0. Okay, so yeah, just always try to eliminate the options. Okay, just by seeing this thing, we are able to see. So never waste your time. Always just think, like in most of the question, objective question, you will see that you will be able to easily just remove two options at least. Many times in 12th or in standard also, like you would be seeing that, yeah, just by using that united dimension method, you would be able to remove two options at least.
Yeah, so we did do a little bit of work.
I think someone is speaking, but I don't know.
We looked at the sum of the volume over 15 days. We looked at the opening stock.
Actually, your voice is not clear to me.
Sir,
Is
someone
it...
is playing the recording of PDM. That's the voice of
Okay.
Professor Mulyan.
Okay. Okay, let me just... Yeah. Okay. Do you people have that paper, or he's more excited to learn that subject? Okay, so I think, yeah, is anyone still left or would like to try this question? Okay, medium class. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think, yeah, all of you are ready to go, or I should solve this one. I think, yeah, that is these two conditions were there. Just take the this, and in these two options, A and C options, yeah, your first value is negative, so obviously it can't be the correct answer. Okay, and in B and D, yeah, we are seeing that, yeah, A is greater than 0. We will cross check it by just by seeing that determinant value, if it is greater than equal to 0, which is true for B and D option. So yeah, these two options, these two answers will be the correct one. Okay, so yeah, here this one and this one is right. Okay, let's move to the next question. Yeah. So yeah, this one, just solve this one. It is very similar to the graded assignment, I think. Yeah, just see this one. We'll give enough time here, like, because yeah, after this one, like only one more question is there. 10th and 11th question is based on this concept only, like just check the mean, just solve the critical point, check the function value at both points, and yeah, you are good to go. Okay. Yeah, one correct answer we already got. Come on, just cross check it. You are pretty close to the answer. I just seeing that, yeah, some silly mistakes you have done. It's not your, yeah, I can say, yeah, whatever the answers you are saying that, yeah, that's correct for graded assignment. Yeah, but here the questions is a bit changed. It's a bit modified. So yeah, just cross check the answer. Okay, I'll start solving, but I'll solve a bit slow so that, yeah. So here we will write del of fx, which we will get around, yeah, 2x, 2y, 2z, okay, no, sorry, the distance of the point on this sphere. Okay, I think, yeah, then we have to create the objective function. So objective function is nothing but yeah, so it is nothing but your distance will be around, as we know that x minus 4 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z minus 4, this is your objective function. So distance square is equal to this one. Okay, so yeah, 27 3, yeah, that's correct, Rajit. Yeah, you are also correct. So is everyone able to solve, or yeah, that's one more correct answer we already got. There is nothing to extend the question, just create this distance function and just equate this one, del of fx equals lambda times del of gx. Okay, just solve this one and yeah, then put the value of yeah, lambda value, whatever you are getting in this equation, gx equals to 0. Okay, when you will put into this equation, then you will get the x, y, and z value. Okay, just put, yeah, that's correct. Actually 2 is value you will get, yeah, 1 is correct, one more value you will get actually.
So g of x is actually distance, right?
The distance, g of x is your yeah, what you are saying, g of x is your x square plus y square plus z square. It is the equation of a sphere. This one you are talking?
No.
This is the, yeah.
So I thought gx is d here.
Gx is, you see, always think that objective function is the function which you are supposed to minimize. Okay, objective, so you have to minimize the distance. Okay, so just take it as a, yeah, on this sphere there is a point x comma y comma z, which you have to, yeah, you have to from there you have to calculate your distance from 4 comma 4 comma 4. Okay, something like that. Are you able to get my point, or
yeah, like,
yeah, just try to solve. Okay, I'll, if still you face an issue, I'll obviously solve this question. Okay, but yeah, I can, to save the time, I can just, yeah, directly show the solutions also. Many correct answers we already got. So I think is anyone trying this question, or I should share the answer? Hello. If anyone is still trying, they can say, or yeah, I can try that one. So yeah, this is your D, and yeah, you have to solve it using D square, so that, because otherwise it will become complicated. So yeah, just solve this D square, x minus 4 square. Okay, let me just try to do it in. For first differential, it is around 2 into x minus 4, 2 into 1 y minus 4, 2 times z minus 4. Okay, equals to lambda times 2x, 2y, 2z. Okay, we'll solve these two equations. What is the lambda value we are getting here? Can someone say? All right. Okay, just check directly. Okay, 2x minus 2x minus 8 equals 4. Okay, 2 directly we can calculate. Want to do this. Okay, 2 directly we can x minus 4 equals lambda x. Okay, so yeah, I think we are getting x equals 4 upon 1 minus lambda. And since all the equations are similar, so I think yeah, for all the other values we will get something similar answer. Okay, so this is the value we got, and we'll put this x, y, z value in this equation. Okay, so what we'll get here is 4 square upon 1 minus lambda to the power whole square, and it will be, since all the values are same, so it will get it as we will get price. Okay, it is equal to 3. Yeah, we can cancel this 3. So we are getting around 1 minus lambda square equals 4. So yeah, we can delete this part. So yeah, 1 minus lambda equal to plus 2, and 1 minus lambda equals minus 2. So here we'll get as lambda value as minus 1.
Sir, it's 4 square.
Okay. It is 4 square, no? Yeah. So yeah,
plus minus 4 it will be.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Thanks for. Yeah, lambda equals minus. Okay. So here we will get lambda equals minus 3, and here we will get lambda equals 1 plus 4, 5. Okay. So yeah, we got two lambda values, and yeah, based on this, we'll get x equals to y equals to z. Just put it this in this equation. Okay. 1 minus 1 plus 3 of 1 plus 3 4. So yeah, we will get as 1 comma 1 comma 1, and here we'll get x comma y comma z value as minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so we'll check our function value. Okay, f at 1 comma 1 comma 1 and f at minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, it is nothing but this is your function, x square plus y square plus. Okay, this one is your function. I deleted that one. x minus 4 whole square, something like that one. Then that is your distance square actually. Distance square. Okay, yeah. One more thing is correct. Yeah, distance square. So distance will be something like in this shape. Okay, x minus 4 square. X minus 4 is nothing but yeah, 1 minus 4 square. Y minus 4 square plus z minus 4 square, because d equals x minus 4 square plus y minus 4 square plus z minus 4 square. Okay, so I think, yeah, based on this we can calculate, yeah, it is nothing but 1 minus 4 3 square, so it is nothing but 3 times root 3. Okay, 3 square it is here, so that is nothing but 3 root 3. Okay, for minus 1 we will see, yeah, it will become like 1 minus minus plus 1, 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Okay, then it will be, I think, yeah, it will be, you will get around 2 root 3. Yeah. Is it correct? No, I think, yeah, 2 root 3, no, I think 3 root 2. Because, yeah, 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, no, 3 root 2.
3 root 5.
Okay, we are getting it as 3 root this one. What we will get this, sorry, just repeat this.
So -1 minus 4 square.
Okay, minus 1 minus, yeah,
5
right,
root 3.
yeah, right, yeah, that's correct. Yeah, it will be 5 root 3, because, yeah, it's a what, yeah, minus 4, no, minus 4. Okay, yeah, I thought, yeah, 1 plus 1, I was thinking just here this. Okay, 5 root 3. Okay, so yeah, so we can easily see here. Yeah, please say.
So I have one clarification here.
Yeah.
Is it necessary to calculate the lambda value? Because in this equation above, your x, y, and z is all coming as 4 by 1 minus lambda.
Yeah.
So you're getting x is equal to y is equal to z. So if I substitute any of that in the constraint, which is x square plus y square plus z square, so I'll get my values of 1 and minus 1.
Yeah, in any way, like in any method, by any method, if you are able to get that x, y, z value, that's fine.
So I need not calculate the lambda, right?
No. If a question is asking what the lambda value, then you can calculate. Or by any method, if you are able to solve that x, y, z value, that, yeah, our ultimate goal is to reach the to get this x, y, z value. Okay,
right.
And by just seeing that value, yeah, so like that. Yeah, that's
right.
also a good approach. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we are seeing that, yeah, this is your minimum value and this is your maximum value. It comes around, yeah, 5 point something, no, 5.19. And yeah, and this value, I think, yeah, 5 into 1.73, it will come around 8 point something. Okay, so since in this question we are asking what the minimum value, so yeah, 5 point something is correct. Okay, let's move to the next question. So I think, yeah, next question is about that, yeah, farthest from the point. Okay, so farthest is nothing but this one. Okay, 8.3. Your yeah, minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so I think, yeah, we already solved the question. Okay, so yeah, let's move to the next question. So yeah, I think you all are aware of the concept Hessian matrix. Okay, who is aware of this, the concept Hessian matrix, they can directly start solving this question. Okay, this is your last question for today's session. Okay, whoever is aware of that concept of Hessian matrix completely, they can start. Or yeah, I just intentionally kept this slide. Okay, just everyone is noted down this function. Okay, I can just copy this one also here. Okay, so this is the definition of matrix, and yeah, actually, yeah, I just keep this question. Yes, This is your function, and yeah, this is the Hessian matrix. Hessian matrix is nothing but a simple and cross and square matrix composed of the second order partial derivative. Okay. So just compute the Hessian matrix, nothing more and nothing less. Okay. Yeah. So this question particularly kept here, like yeah, in the last session only someone was saying like how you create the hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, you are
Are
online.
you able to?
Can't
Okay,
see
so
the.
I think yeah, I was. Okay,
You
yeah, I
disconnected
just
for a
got
few seconds.
disconnected. I think. Yeah. Thank you, sir. I was saying that yeah, no one is saying anything suddenly. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is okay. So you didn't see the question, no? Hello.
Can you show it again, please? Sir?
Yeah. This is the question. Are you able to see this one? Hello.
Yes, sir. Now we can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can see.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this question we particularly kept up because in the last session someone was saying like how to create a 3x3 Hessian matrix. Yeah, but yeah, like how to deal with these three variables. Okay. So yeah, that's why I just kept this question. So we just rephrase your concept. Yeah. Hessian matrix is nothing but just a simple second order partial derivative of your function. Okay.
Actually, your voice is breaking.
Am I audible now? Are you able to hear me properly?
Yeah, better.
Okay. Yeah, I think yeah. Network is fluctuating. Okay. So yeah, this is your equation, and just calculate the Hessian matrix. Okay. Okay, one answer we got. Yeah. Yeah, three correct answers we have already got this for this question. Okay, don't take your time. I just want correct answer. Doesn't matter how much time you take. Okay, we'll wait for yeah, like I will give you around 5 minutes for this question. Okay, just take this is the last question. So yeah, we can take enough time for this one. And yeah, it is lengthy actually. If we go with the conventional method. So yeah, we are getting correct answer only. Take your time. Just correct answer. I would say. Just give the correct answer. Nothing more than that. Yeah. So yeah, few people suggest dou square of by dou x square should be equals to 0. And that is also a good approach, I would say. As I told about this, options removal method, Yeah, that's correct. So that is I expected, it would take longer time. So that's why this question is made in such a manner that Okay, option wise, you guys are correct, and you guys are on correct path. Okay, we'll try to solve this one completely, like in detail. Okay, so our first step will be to for 3 cross 3, our Hessian matrix shape will be something like this: dou square f upon dou x square, dou square f, dou x, dou y, dou square f, dou x, dou z. Okay, dou square f on dou y square, dou square f upon dou z square. Okay, and now dou square f upon dou x, dou y, actually dou y, dou x, it's okay. And this one should be dou square f upon dou z, dou x. Okay, this is the combination dou y, dou x, dou y, dou z, and this one be your dou square f upon dou y, dou z. This one will be your dou square f upon dou z and dou y. Okay, so I think I should take this one and subtract. Let it. Is there any option to just select this thing? I would like to solve this in the free space. So are you able to understand like what we will try to do? We'll do nothing but just we'll solve all the value. Dou square of dou x square is nothing but e to power e raised minus x will be the first differentiation of this one will be like minus e raised minus x. Just for first one, I will do the calculation. We'll do f of dou x will be nothing but minus e raised minus x into this is in multiplication term. Okay, let's keep it like that. Okay, the second order differentiation will be something like same old one. Okay, sine of yz. Okay, now we'll put the 0, 1 and pi. Okay, so for x value, if we are putting 0, so this term will be 1 e raised minus 0, 1, and sine z is pi and y is 1. So sine pi is, what will be the value of sine pi? Someone answer? It will be 0. Okay, so yeah, as like yeah, whoever the answered like quickly, that this was the reason, because yeah, first yeah, 1 cross 1, a part of this matrix will be 0. Okay, so yeah, this here, or for this option only it was 0, and for all other options here it is pi, here it is 1, here it is 1. So yeah, only option looked correct. Okay, but yeah, like that only you can calculate all the values, and yeah, based on that you can solve this, you can check this one. Okay, nothing extra is there. Yeah, you have to simply calculate. It's just a second order partial differentiation, nothing more than that. Okay, so like that, if it would be your objective function, then yeah, like that you can create your Hessian matrix, and then you can check whether it's a positive definite, semi-definite, or whatever, all those things. Okay, I think yeah, if anyone wants any doubt in this question, is there any doubt in this question? Then we will discuss that. Or if you want to solve this question like yeah, completely, then I can do that also. Anyone? I think yeah, you guys are. Yeah, so that's all for today's session. I think yeah, and this was your last session before quiz 2. Okay, this is the last chapter of your quiz 2. So yeah, anyone want to ask anything, or any in general, anything?
Quiz 1 is just week 1 to 8.
Quiz 2 would be there. No?
Quiz 2, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, week 1 to 8, and yeah, mostly like what the pattern we follows, like yeah, for first the whatever the weeks which is already covered in the quiz 1, no, like from that those week, yeah, max 1 to 2 questions. Okay, so maximum weightage would be given to the yeah week 4, week 5 to 8, 5, 6, 1, yeah, week 5 to 8. Okay, like that. And if you guys want, still if you guys have any doubt in week 6 or anything like that, just compile that out. Okay, you guys have given suggestions, but the thing was like in that sheet, many people wrote like yeah, complete week 6, something like that. So I think yeah, that won't be, yeah, that is, yeah, we can do that also maybe, but yeah, if you will be specific, no, then maybe yeah, in the revision session we can emphasize more on that topics. So that is what I wanted to know from you guys. Okay.
When is interim exam date?
Interim exam date, I think it usually happens like after like 2 to 3 weeks after. Yeah, I think yeah, after 2 week of 12th week. When is your 12th week? I'm also not aware actually.
Sir, it's 3rd April. For interim, it's 3rd April.
Okay. For interim, it's 3rd April. Okay. Question one.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
I want to ask that in the calendar I cannot see any live sessions for the scheduled for the next week. So will it be scheduled later, or there will be no live sessions like that?
In which week? I think just repeat.
Next weeks.
Next week you are not able to see any live session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check that. I think I was able to see that. Okay, just let me check that. I think for week, okay, the next week we are on 26th. I will just pick. Yeah, it is MLT session we have. Annual session we have. Yeah, it is. Why it is like
Sir,
that?
actually, for MLF, there is no session. I think that will be scheduled after some time, and they will be the calendar will be updated.
Okay, why it is like any particular reason?
No, I don't. I am a student. I don't know, but it happens sometime that they.
Okay. So it was from the start, or something like in the they have told anything about this, or I mean, when you got this calendar from that time only, we didn't had any sessions or what? Okay,
So actually, from the beginning, they updated up to some duration, not all the session. That's why. So I think that will be from their side that that will be updated if there will be session actually.
Okay, just let me confirm that.
Whereas like in BDM, they are saying that on 20th there will be a session, but in calendar it is not updated till now. So maybe they will update it today.
Yeah, like week 9 content got released or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is released.
Yes, sir.
I think if it is released, then there would be session. I think so. Until unless there. Okay.
Maybe they will update by tomorrow, because tomorrow is the
They
day.
will, yeah, they will update if there is not any particular reason. Then yeah, they will definitely update that. Okay, because I'm also seeing that for MLP, for MLP also there is no session. So yeah, since it should be there, because till now even I don't know anything like next week we don't have session. Just now only I'm able to see. Okay, I just ask it. Yeah, let's see what they replies. Actually today most of the people are busy in that proctored basic exam. I think there would be session. I'm not sure like why it is not there in the calendar, but till now I didn't get any update like we don't have session next week. And I think for week 9. Yeah, hello.
Maybe later it will be updated.
Yeah, that would be the case. Actually, the thing is why I am not saying that it will why I'm not confirming that, because like they were planning there would be in future, you may see like after before the quiz 1 week quiz, before the quiz 1 week gap will be there, like in that week there would be no new content and something like that. Okay, so it is a plan, but whether they have implemented it or not, that I'm not sure. I think for other courses it is not updated. Okay, you will, if I think, since they are
Actually, in some situation they send the WhatsApp message link in the WhatsApp message in the last moment also.
Okay.
Like before.
For now, I would say just to think it like there would be session. Okay, take it like that only. But it doesn't for week 10 there is session or not, so that I can think we can understand like that.
Now, sir, there is no other session up to 19th February. There are update calendar is updated, but after that, no session.
Okay. So maybe later they will update. Yeah, I think they will update this calendar. It looks the calendar is not updated. Okay. Yeah, we can expect that calendar may be updated later. Okay. Yeah, like that only, I think so. Okay. You can expect that. Yeah, because for other courses also it is not updated. Okay. Yeah, only MLT is updated. Yeah, MLF is to here only. They will update that. That's not an issue. I think for other courses also it's not updated. So they will definitely update that. Okay. Anything else? Anyone want to discuss or some suggestions, anything, like we are open for that. Hello. Yeah, then okay. Bye everyone. Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
thank
sir.
you
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you all. It was
Thank
very
you,
nice.
sir.
Yeah. Vignesh, are you there? Okay, Nagarjan is saying the question. Hi Nagarjan, are you there or left?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Yeah, hey, sir, Nagarajan here.
Yeah. You was asking about this question. Yeah. So
Yeah,
what is
graded
the
assignment 7, question number 1.
Okay. Yeah, we are getting few messages. Yeah, we just a few small questions are there. Yeah, one is someone is asking like, will we having PCN quiz 2? Yeah, it will be there in the quiz 2. Before that, we will take a revision session. And if you have any particular doubt in particular topic, you can say that. And the thing is, I would tell you about the week 6. The thing is like a maximum time in week 6 is devoted to that derivations. Okay, so which we can't ask in the exams. So question will be easy only for week 6, like definite, positive, semi-definite, something like that. Yeah, but easy question will be like if you will try to create that question on that PCA part, that will be very long. Okay, so yeah, just think like we have we have two constraints. One is like we have to create objective questions, so obviously, and yeah, something like that. Okay, yeah, just ask Nagarajan. Yeah, what you were saying. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you. Yeah.
see, graded assignment 7, question number 1.
Yeah. So it is
Are
wrong.
you able to open it?
No, I think I won't be able to access currently the course.
Okay, that's
portal because-
okay. The question is, two positive numbers have a sum of 60.
Okay.
What is the minimum product of one number times the square of the other number?
Okay.
So you get two answers. One is 0 and one is a positive number.
Okay.
So you are saying in the question, two positive numbers have a sum of 60, right? But in the answer, 0 is given as the correct answer. The other options do not fit the correct answer. So that question itself is...
Okay. I would say in this case, just post it properly on the discourse, like you.
No, I've done it. We also asked Vishal sir, I think. He never answered. Nobody answered. That is why I said in this course, nobody's answering.
Okay. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Okay. See, that
because
is
we wanted an answer to this before the submission date. We did not get it.
No,
and I chose 0 as the answer, and we got a correct score for that. Whereas 0 is not the correct answer.
Okay. See, in these cases, I would say, see, what happens is, see, first case is like if Vishal didn't responded. So I think, as I told you, just keep it in mind always. It's not I'm not pressurizing you to just put always that the person who take the live session. The thing is like who ever take the live session, no, he will reply quickly. Okay.
No, I understand. I got that part.
Yeah.
I got that part.
Second thing, I would say, just let me complete whatever I just want to say, like 2-3 points. Okay. Second thing is, in this question, if there is a graded question, we don't want to touch that query usually before the deadline. Okay. So the third thing is, if there is wrong and you have valid reason, just put it. Okay, and tag me. And tag Ram was there to conduct the session. Just tag Ram and me. Okay, I'll just respond right now only. Or maybe
actually Vishal sir said we will check and let you know.
Okay.
Then he never got back.
Okay.
A lot of people raised that question. It's not only me.
Okay, so you mean to say like you have valid reasons? The answer is wrong, no? See, anytime if you have a valid reason for graded assignment that the answer is wrong, be assured that you will get the marks. That's for sure. Okay. It is like that.
Okay, but I think you do not know that it is wrong because so many people have brought it to your attention. But
okay.
Anyway, I just pointed out. Maybe for the next term you can
Yeah.
correct it.
No, just now only like as you said, no, just now only we will see that questions, and within 1 or 2 days you will get the marks for that. Okay, like the thing is.
No, I chose 0. I got the correct mark.
Okay.
But actually 0 is not the right answer for this.
Okay,
that is what I'm saying. I got correct marks for 0, but 0 is not the correct answer.
Okay, so yeah, we have.
I put 0 because that was the best option available, and the date was over. So I chose 0, but 0 is actually not correct. If you go and look at that question, 0 is not the correct answer.
Okay, so the thing is like for next 3 hours, I won't be able to access the portal because
no problem. You check it later.
That's a correct thing, and whatever you did, no, that's the right thing because you just raised that query here also. That is fine because sometime some question gets we skip that unintentionally also.
No, I understand that. I'll do one thing. I'll go to discourse. That particular question, I'll just tag you.
Okay.
Just take a look. That's okay. Because a lot of people may have got it wrong. They'll unnecessarily lose 2 marks for this. That is.
That we will obviously we will definitely change that. That's not an issue.
Okay.
The answer is wrong. We'll do that. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nagar. Bye. Have a great evening.
Thank you.